Of course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, so you won't miss anything. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's talk about another amazing wig from Amazon. Yes, the Amazon wig craze, and honestly, I love it. I can't get enough of it, and I want more. So this is actually a first wig that I have from this company called Lucy Hair. The links are down below for everything, including details for this wig. So this is a front-laced, half-hand tied, brown wig. Now, if you know anything about my videos and whatnot, that I generally, it's very funny, that I generally am not attracted to wearing natural colored wigs. I generally love like the pastels, the pinks, the purples, any other color but brown, which is my natural color. So I decided to get this wig right here to give it a try, because life is short and sometimes you gotta go, you know, you just gotta go beyond yourself and say, you know, just get over yourself and give it a try, right? Because you never know what may happen. And honestly, I just literally whipped this girl on, and I was like, why was I being such a baby about brown hair? I absolutely love it. So let's talk about this wig. So this is, like I mentioned, from Lucy Hair. It is a long wig right here. I would gather, even though it does have these gorgeous curls, these waves, excuse me, and also it's layered. So it's layered, so it's really great. It's very full and shiny and soft and silky. Of course, if you want to eliminate some of the shininess to any wig, just definitely add a little bit of baby powder or dry shampoo. They both work really great. So I would say this is probably in the range of, you know, 22, 24 inches long. Probably if it was super straight, it would probably be 24. But this is really great. It's very full and luxurious. It has a 2.5 inch parting at the top before it goes into the waist. Let's look. And also, this is a medium wig cap. So I do think this is big head friendly, but this isn't as big head friendly as some of the other Amazon wigs that I have, because normally I have to tighten them like well beyond. So this is just a medium cap, which I think is still big head friendly. It has 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 in the middle. I actually never really even use combs to fasten to my head. I just whip it on. And also it has the fasteners at the bottom, which I have placed right down there. All I've done with this wig is just cut the lace off. I've done nothing else to customize this wig. So basically this is like out of the box kind of look. I did use a little bit of a flat iron on the top. It does say safe up to 160 degrees for heat resistance, but my flat iron does not have a temperature gauge. It just has numbers. So I actually just used a 5 out of, I think, 8 it has. So probably a little bit more than 160 degrees, but nothing happened. It didn't melt. Nothing was doing anything weird. So it actually comes with 2 wig caps. So as soon as it arrives, you are ready to go and put her on. So I do have my wig cap right here that I did get from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99, deal of the century. Definitely get a 10-pack or just stock up on Amazon wigs and you'll have plenty of wig caps. So, okay, it is on. I put my wigs on front to back. I'm actually gonna back it up a little bit. Boom. Oh my gosh. Let's just put up in front here. Wow. What do you guys think about this? I'm actually really impressed, and again, when I whipped it on, I was like, why am I being such a baby about brown haired wigs? I really love this. And I think it's super cute. Let me just move my mirror around here. And let's see, so this is, I guess, kind of down the center. It's very, oh yeah, so I'm 5'7". So yeah, so this is just above belly button. So yeah, I would say maybe like 22 inches for sure. I feel like the 24s are right. Mid-waist. Okay, so here she is, like basically down the center. Let's put her on this side, see what she does. Just of course playing with your hands. I do feel like these Amazon wigs, you know, do have very minimal shedding and also like very minimal tangle. I know a lot of women, I've like read in the comments for very long wigs, is that they're like, oh, it still tangles. Well, it's almost impossible for a long haired anything not to tangle. Your regular hair, anything. But it has very minimal tangle, I will say that. Unless you are walking around a windy city, then you're probably gonna have a problem. But yeah, so here's on this one side. It just feels great. And the one thing I will say about these Amazon wigs is they are a lot of hair. It doesn't feel overwhelming. Like, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing a ton of hair, which is great. Okay, so let's whip it on this side. This is the side that I normally put my hair on. Let's see. I did not play with it on this side. She's so great. She's so great and voluminous and fun. Oh my gosh. What do you ladies and gentlemen think about this? Do you have any of these Lucy haired wigs? Do you have a favorite brown haired wig? Like, honestly, let's all come together and like be fabulous together. So again, so this wig right here is from Lucy Hair. The links are down below for it. Of course, it is Amazon Prime and a really great price, all under $40. Thank you everyone for watching. Remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So, be fabulous. So, I want to thank everyone for watching. Thank you for all the positive comments. And ladies and gentlemen, let's come together and make this world a better place while wearing wigs, great makeup, and fun fashion. So I want to thank you all, and we